Okay, I just wrapped that ground wire up there. Now see how much shorter the ground wire is from the white and the black? That's why I extended it down further, because I had to take it and route it over to there. And when you wrap it around your ground wire or ground screw, you want to wrap the same direction as you're tightening up the screw. You don't want to wrap it from the right to the left and go around it. Rather from the, well, it depends, from the top down. You just want to, if you're going from the bottom, you want to go to the bottom and then up to the left and then over to the top right on the right. Same way as you're tightening up a screw, okay? Then you tighten it up and there's your ground wire, voila. And your black and white. We're not going to do anything more up there right now, are we? Before I put the bracket on, I can move these around. I can zip these up in a circle and push them up there, but I'm just going to leave them like this. Make a determination when I put the mounting bracket. I may have to push them over this way, push them over this way. However I got to do it, I'll do. Okay. All right. So now that takes care of that. Now I can go over and work on getting that box back up there, making a determination how long to cut those wires and all that kind of good stuff. Okay. You're doing it. Well, I can cross that one off my list. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.